What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can get live wallpapers on your PC or laptop. So follow the steps in this video and you will be able to get live wallpaper. Now what you want to do guys, you want to search for lively wallpaper on Google, okay? Or any browser you are using, you can use for Firefox or Google Chrome, any browser, and then search for lively wallpaper. And as you can see, I want to click the first website that says here lively wallpaper by Roxindester. I don't know how to pronounce this honestly. So you want to just click on the first website that says here lively wallpaper by Roxindester. Now this is how the website looks. Now you want to click download. As you can see here, it says here download. Now after that guys, you want to click on installer. Okay, you want to click on installer and you wait for it to download. It will take like a few seconds. As you can see, it's downloading right now. So after it's downloaded, you want to wait for it as you get the very bottom left, as you can see. Now after it's downloaded, you want to click on it. You want to click on it, and after you click on this file, as you can see, after you download it, click on it so that it will open. Now after that, you want to click on install for me only, recommended. Click on install for me only, and then select what language you want. I will select English, and then click OK and click next, and then click I accept the agreement. Click next, and then you want to click next again. Click install and wait for it to install. It will probably take like a few seconds. So after you install this, I'm gonna be showing you guys what you wanna do. It's very easy and simple, so just follow the steps. Very easy. Now after that guys, you wanna click on finish after it's installed. Make sure you turn this on. It says launch lively wallpaper. Click on finish. Click on yes. If there is anything that you need to download, click on yes. It says here I have to download this. Click on yes. Yes, click again on yes. And then close. Now what you want to do guys, after you download, what do you need? Sometimes they don't want to install it because you need like a driver or something like that. You know, just now after that you want to open the lively wallpaper. You will find it here where you can see your Google Chrome, like other programs that you have on your PC or laptop. You want to just open lively wallpaper, click on it, and wait for it to open. Now it will give you a list of free wallpapers. For example, I'm going to select this one. You want to click on any one you want, and it will automatically change, as you can see. Now if there is like a wallpaper that you want, it's custom, you want to just go to Google and go to your YouTube and search for wallpaper, cars or anything like that, and you will find a lot of wallpapers. Let's say I'm going to click on this one. What you want to do guys, you want to just copy the link in the top, copy it, Ctrl+C, or you want to right click and click on copy, and then you want to go to add wallpaper where it says add wallpaper in the top right. Now you want to click on you want to paste the link here where it says here enter a URL. You want to enter it here, right click and then click paste, and then click this arrow, as you can see, and it will be added here. Click on OK. Wait for it to download this to the program, and you want to click it. As you can see, this is the new wallpaper. Click it, and that's all you need to do guys. You can do this with any wallpaper that you see on YouTube. So hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.